Welcome back, finance fans. Here are 22 dumb things people spend money on. I will also show the amount of money you could accumulate if you stopped buying these dumb things and instead invested that amount in the S&P 500, earning the historical average return of 10% per year over the next 25 years. Lottery tickets. The odds of winning a major lottery jackpot are extremely low. For example, the odds of winning the Mega Millions jackpot are about 1 in 300 million. This means a random American adult has a better chance of becoming the next president of the United States than winning the jackpot. The average person spends about $600 per year on lottery tickets. If you stopped buying this garbage and invested it in the S&P 500, in 25 years you could have about $59,000. The average person spends about $637 per year on alcohol, according to the latest Bureau of Labor Statistics. For cigarettes and tobacco products, smokers typically spend about $350 per year. Your health is the most important thing in your life. The longer you live, the longer your investments have to grow and compound. By cutting this habit, in 25 years, you could have about $97,000 built up. Fancy cars. Please watch my full video on how piles of steel and plastic keep people poor. Bottled water. Fill up your own glass or steel water bottle and take it with you everywhere you go. This little habit could save you thousands over the long term. Buying coffee every day. Prioritize becoming financially free over brown bean water. It's cool to be fiscally responsible. Break out another 1,000. Boats are often considered a waste of money due to the high maintenance costs, storage fees, depreciation, operating expenses, and unexpected repairs. Many owners find they use their boats far less than expected, making the high annual costs disproportionate to the enjoyment gained. Food delivery services are widely considered a waste of money because they dramatically increase the cost of eating compared to cooking at home or even picking up takeout yourself. Our ancestors had to hunt for food. Now we sit on the couch, press buttons on a screen, and food magically shows up at the door. Could we get any lazier? Cook your own food at home or go get it yourself. The average American spends over $2,500 per year dining out. This spending includes all types of restaurants, from fast food to fine dining, bars, and cafes. Please watch my video on how dining out keeps people poor. The average person spends about $300 per year on new technology products. This figure includes spending on items such as laptops, phones, tablets, TVs, headphones, and other personal tech devices. If you get a model that is a year or two old, you can save a lot of money. While greeting cards are often bought for sentimental reasons, their practical use is short-lived. Most cards are discarded within 2 weeks. The average greeting card costs about $3, and people buy about 20 per year. Does anyone even like getting these useless cards? Make your own personalized cards, which will have much more meaning. Most households subscribe to multiple services, so total monthly spending on TV subscriptions can easily add up depending on how many platforms they use. Having one is good because it is cheaper than going out for entertainment. Review all your subscriptions and choose the one you use the most. Premium gasoline for cars that don't require it. This is such a waste of money. Follow instructions on your gas tank. Timeshares are widely considered a waste of money due to a combination of high costs, inflexible usage, and poor resale value. The average timeshare costs around $25,000 to purchase. On top of that, owners must pay annual maintenance fees that typically start around $1,000, but can rise unpredictably. Just stay away. Don't go to the free seminars. Latest fashion and clothes you rarely wear. Many trendy items are designed to last just a season, so you end up replacing them frequently, which adds up over time. The fashion industry thrives on the see now, buy now mentality, pushing consumers to purchase new clothes constantly to keep up with trends. When you see new clothes or shoes you want, wait 48 hours to think it over. About 67% of people with gym memberships do not use them on a regular basis. Purchase some dumbbells and a bench and work out at home. Workout supplements. You can get the same nutrients from real food. Lean meats, eggs, fish, fruits, and vegetables offer all the protein, carbs, and nutrients your body needs. No supplement can replace consistent workouts, sleep, hydration, and clean nutrition. Don't waste money on overpriced powders. A wedding typically lasts one day, but many couples spend tens of thousands, often going into debt or draining savings. Financial stress early in a marriage can strain the relationship going forward. Would you rather impress guests for one day or invest in a house, business, and financial freedom? Swimming pools are often seen as a luxury, but for many homeowners, they can turn out to be a financial drain with more downsides than benefits. Chemicals, electricity, repairs, and ongoing maintenance can add up quickly. Most pools are only used in summer. After the novelty wears off, many homeowners barely use their pool. Paying for something that sits unused 9 months of the year is not a smart investment. A basic outdoor kitchen setup can run between $10,000 and $30,000, with custom designs pushing well beyond $50,000. That's a huge investment for what's essentially a second kitchen you'll rarely use. Outdoor kitchens are seasonal luxuries. Summers are too hot. Winters are too cold. Spring and fall are too rainy or windy. Chances are it will sit idle most of the year. A simple barbecue can do the same job. Approximately 56% of active credit card accounts in the United States carry a balance, meaning these cardholders are incurring interest charges by not paying off their full statement balances each month. This can lead to substantial interest charges over time. Don't fall for this or buy now, pay later. Pay balances in full each month. If you're still having trouble, cut it up and switch to a debit card. A fancy watch will sit and collect dust for most of the year. You could get a nice Seiko or Citizen for a fraction of the cost and wear it on a regular basis. Big brands spend millions on advertising, packaging design, and shelf placement, costs they pass on to you. Brand name groceries can cost 30% to 50% more than store brand equivalents. Generic store brand products often come from the same factories. Switching to generics could save you thousands without sacrificing flavor or function. These purchases are often considered wasteful because they offer little long-term value, have cheaper alternatives, or are frequently unused. Stop buying these things and put that money towards becoming financially free. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, keep earning, keep saving, and keep investing.